Hi there. In this video I am going to show you how to upload a mini videos to your Facebook page. Go to Google and type Creator Studio for Facebook. Then go on this link, Creator Studio for Facebook. Then go on Content. On this page you go to this list and you will have a bulk upload videos. Tap on this. Then Facebook allows you to upload many videos at once. So go and click on this button at the videos, then go and select as many videos as you need. For example, I am going to select these videos. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These 5 videos are starting to upload. Here you can add the title and here the description. And here you can change the schedule of publishing. Here it gives you some other options, like if you are uploading a single videos. And this is the delete button if you have uploaded the video by mistake. Once you have done the editing of title, description and time of publishing, go and click on this button. In this way, once the videos have done the uploading, it will be shown on your page. Thank you for watching this video.